the Russian team, we have been brave all this tournament, and but if they won the game, probably they deserved it more. And definitely, we lacked our big guy Gachevsky. We couldn't rebound with the Russian team, and that was the point where we lost the game, I think.
Do you know what's happened in this last attack of Macedonians? This throw, how did it went out of the basket?
Well, we cannot blame anybody. I mean, for sure he wanted. Coach. Definitely. What was the question?
About Selanovsky's shot.
Yeah. We cannot blame anybody, especially him. He's a great kid. I mean, everybody on this team, everybody was amazing. We're like a family, and we will make him feel better. That's for sure. And for sure, I think that we lost the game before with the last shot, with all those rebounds that I mentioned before.
You look very tired. 11 games with 6 or 7 players. Is that possible to do that?
You know what? Every time when you're winning, it just gives you so much energy, especially in this tournament. And yeah, we are tired, but I think I have never felt like this in my life. Like positive-wise, it has been an amazing journey, and it's just incredible. And how can you not have an energy in front of fans like this, with games like this, playing for the medal in this tournament? And it's just amazing.
The last question, maybe after such a story of Macedonian basketball, such a journey, maybe the medal wasn't so important after all.
Maybe you're right. I agree with that. But when you're so close, it's kind of you're saying to yourself, I was so close, but I agree with a big part of your question, your statement, and we made our country so proud, and I think that this will not be forgotten for a long, long time.
Thank you. Good luck in the future.
Thank you.